Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to enhance photo quality on Gimp. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Gimp. So the first thing that you need to do guys is go to File, and then once you go to File, go ahead and click on Open, and then search for an image that you want to add from your PC, and select it and then click on open. Once you do that, go ahead and click on keep. And as you can see guys, the image is added to Gimp. So as you can see guys here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of the tools that you will need in order to edit your image. And here in the top, you're going to find also some tools. So what you need to do guys right now is go ahead and click on image. And then once you click on image, go ahead and search for scale image. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. And then you're going to find this menu. So if you want to enhance the resolution, go ahead and type the resolution that you want. So as you can see guys, you can edit the width, the height, the X resolution, Y resolution, and lastly the interpolation. You can make it linear, cubic, no hollow, or low hollow. So right now, we're gonna go and click on scale. Click on scale, and then as you can see guys, it's now bigger. So hold Control on your keyboard and then zoom out. And as you can see guys, now the image is bigger. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.